Hi everyone, is your Crossley record player giving you trouble? Don't worry, in this quick guide, we will tackle common issues and show you how to fix them fast. Let's get your vinyl spinning again. Issue 1, record player won't turn on. Possible cause, power supply issues. Solution, ensure the unit is plugged in securely. Check if the outlet is functional by testing another device. Inspect the power cord for damage. Issue 2, poor sound quality. Possible cause, dust, worn stylus, or cartridge misalignment. Solution, clean the stylus with a stylus brush or soft cloth. Check if the stylus or cartridge is damaged. Replace if necessary. Ensure the cartridge is aligned correctly. Issue 3rd, platter won't spin. Possible cause, drive belt issues or motor failure. Solution, remove the platter and ensure the drive belt is properly attached to both the platter and motor spindle. If the belt is worn or broken, replace it with a compatible one. Listen for motor sounds. If silent, the motor might need repair. Issue 4, excessive vibrations. Possible cause, external interference or lack of isolation. Solution, move the player away from speakers and other devices. Use isolation pads or a turntable platform to reduce vibrations. Issue 5, volume too low. Possible cause, internal speaker issues or incorrect connections. Solution, check if the volume knob is turned up. Test the audio using external speakers or headphones. Inspect RCA cables and connections if using external output. Issue 6, skipping or sticking. Possible cause, uneven surface, dirty record, or incorrect tracking force. Solution, place the record player on a level surface. Clean your records with a record cleaning kit. Adjust the tracking force and anti-skate settings if available. Issue 7th, speed issues, too fast or slow. Possible cause, incorrect speed settings or motor problems. Solution, ensure the speed selector matches the record type 33 into 1 by 3 45 78 rpm. Check for dirt or obstructions in the motor and clean gently. If the speed fluctuates, the motor or belt might need replacement. Issue 8, no sound or only one channel. Possible cause, faulty connections or cartridge wiring. Solution, inspect the secure all audio cables. Check the cartridge pins for proper connection. Test with different speakers or a receiver to isolate the issue. When to seek professional help. If the problem persists despite troubleshooting, consider contacting Crossley's customer support or a professional technician. Always refer to user manual for specific guidance and warranty details. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.